Just the right balance of sweetness and spice. Our red pepper hummus is a perfect dip, which complements wraps, sandwiches, or even finger foods. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something little sweet, little smoky, a little spice, my son's favorite, the red pepper hummus. So let's get started. This is one full red pepper, which we're going to grill. So we need to just add some olive oil, a little bit of salt to season. Just coat these well with your hands, in and out everywhere. Once these are coated, we just transfer them onto our baking tray. Skin up. The skin side should always be up because the skin side is the one that's going to be grilled and the one that's going to give us the smoky flavor. It's about 20 minutes now since we've put the peppers in the oven. I can smell the amazing smoky flavor. These are extremely beautifully grilled. You can see the charred skin on the peppers. Now all we have to do is just peel the skin off. So let's get started with the red pepper hummus. So we'll add the red pepper. So here we have 1 1/4 cups of dried chickpeas, which we soaked overnight with baking soda and then we boiled them to further soften them. If you want to see this process, do check out my video, The Classic Hummus, the link in the description box. So we'll add this. We have 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 freshly squeezed lemon, 3 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 cup of tahini, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and just a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. This is the red pepper hummus. Full of color, full of flavor, the smokiness, the sweetness. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.